This is where we left in the previous video by implementing searching. In this video, we are going to work on the clear of filters. So let's get back to code. The whole logic is that when we click on the clear filters, we are going to send empty queries, and that is it. So over here, that is under the clear filters, which is this. We are going to create a function called clear filters. And then inside, we are going to update the set filters to empty object. And then also update the search term, and that is set search term. And we're going to use empty string. And then set page to page number 1. And then refresh the post. And that is it. So let's go ahead and then pass to the clear filters, which is this. As that. Awesome. So now, if I click on clear filters, as you can see, it is gone. Awesome, right? And I also want to add it on the all articles here. So it means that we are going to pass the event handler to the post category component as a prop. So here, I will say that clear filters, and then pass that one as clear filters. So inside the post category, we are going to call this particular handler. So let's get into the post category, which is this, and let's destructure that. And on this link, we are going to use onClick and call the clear filters as that. And let me change this one to a button and remove this. Now let's see if I type, for example, CSS and search, and if I click on all articles, as you can see, it worked. And if I filter by web security, and if I click on all articles, it worked. Likewise, other and then clear, it also worked. Awesome. But let's try to fix this. And that is, if I search for a post, for example, 222, and let's see, there is no post with that text called 222. And I don't want to replace the whole component with this one, but instead, I want to show no post below the actual content or the page or the component. So instead of using this message before the actual component renders, I'm going to use it inside the actual form here or the actual component. And that is below the latest articles or even below the search term. So I'm going to copy this. And that is this condition. So here, I will say that below this, that is after the form, I will say show alert. And let's bring in that. And we are checking for in case there is no post. Then we are going to show the no data component, and we have done it before. So copy this component and here paste that. Awesome. So let's see. Let's get back to the latest post where we have this 0 here. I think we have messed up with something. Let's check. We're supposed to be double ampersand as this, so let's remove these guys. Likewise this, and that is it. Save it and let's see, and we have no post found. Awesome. But if I clear it and then search for CSS, it worked. And I also want to show the loading inside the component. So here I'm going to remove these guys. Likewise the error also. So here I'm gonna show if we have an error, then the double ampersand as this, and then show the component. Likewise, loading, so remove this. Likewise, the loading, let me remove that. And here, if it's loading, the AND operator, paste that, and let's see. If I click on search, now let me clear it. Let me search for security and other, something like this. Search, clear, it worked. Awesome. Let's continue in the next video to implement the pagination.